Hey everyone, Noah here from Coffee Scholars, and today's 5 Minute Friday is going to be all about what you can expect freshman year of college. I'm going to give you guys a few tips and tricks to help you navigate your first year on campus, and hopefully you find this helpful. Okay, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so the first tip I can give you is to prepare to be independent. As you'll come to discover, the choice to attend a 2 or 4 year institution comes with great freedom and as a result, also great responsibility. So I would say that, from scheduling, enrolling, attending classes, you'll find that though college can be hectic, it doesn't have to feel that way. So I would say set realistic goals, try creating to-do lists, plan ahead, and most importantly, try to eliminate procrastination because that will come to bite you. So be sure that you are staying on top of your schedule, your homework, your studying, and even your sleep schedule and how often you eat. So be sure that you're balancing all of those things along the way throughout your freshman year of college to be successful as possible. Also, to get the most out of college, you'll want to walk away with something learned. So in addition to gaining the tools and knowledge needed to succeed in your chosen career path, I would say always strive to discover something new about yourself. You'll be better for it, trust me. All right. Secondly, prepare to walk. Now, this may not apply to everyone, especially those who plan on taking courses online or who are staying, more local. But if you are going to be on campus at any point, I would say prepare to walk, especially if you don't have a vehicle readily accessible, or if you don't plan to take any public transport. So be prepared to walk. Yeah, basically, yeah, this one is really for all the students attending those larger universities, those universities that really require you to walk from class to class or from your dorm to your class. So be sure that you're preparing your body and your mind for this change. It's going to be an interesting transition from high school to college in this sense. So be sure that you're prepared to be walking a lot if you're not ready already. But also, your goal hopefully is to enjoy your time in college. So, with that in mind, I would say familiarizing yourself with your new environment and also the physical limits of your body will be helpful as well. So, this can also positively impact your on-campus experience as well as increasing your motivation overall when it comes to your classwork, your overall enjoyment of the campus itself, and just your overall happiness in general. So I would say being prepared for really any physical aspect of college, may it be walking, staying up, studying. I would say just be ready for those things, and once you are, you'll be prepared to kind of overcome those challenges. But once you get used to it, it'll be great. All right, and lastly, speaking of fun, be prepared to really enjoy yourself on campus. I would say take advantage of any student clubs, volunteer opportunities, art programs, athletics, Greek life, the list goes on and on. Really anything to get you outside of that dorm room, I would say really try to take advantage of. You're going to be on campus for, at least 2 to 4 years. So really try to squeeze as much fun and enjoyment as possible out of your experience in college. You're really going to meet some new people, make some great connections. Even some professional relationships can be formed through joining a club or even volunteering on campus. So I would say really try to take advantage of those, fun opportunities on campus as well. Not only will they be enjoyable for you, but they'll also possibly help you down the line when you're looking to, create that career or go into the workforce. So, having fun is always a great way to also get rid of stress, but you can also, while having fun, make some great professional connections or relationships as well. All right, those are a few tips. Of course, everyone will experience college differently. And you're bound to make mistakes, but with proper preparation, dedication, and open mind, I will say that you will grow to learn from your shortcomings and really find that freshman year is not what you expected at all. It's so much better. So if you have any questions about freshman year, college in general, I would say don't be afraid to contact me. I'm always available at nbaldwin@crosbyscholarsIRL.org. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.